Now the next part is crankshaft rod. So choose top plane and draw one circle. For rod we will keep 12 mm diameter and select extruded boss and extrude up to 106 mm. Okay. Now select this top face of rod, sketch, and we want to cut some groove for key. Now let's assign the gap 4.5 mm. And select extruded cut up to 10 mm. See here. Okay. Now select right plane, sketch, and here we want to create a hole. So just draw a hole above the origin point. Keep diameter 12 mm and the distance from bottom line 5 mm. Make vertical. Select extruded cut. Choose here mid plane. Okay. Now the hole is created. Just select chamfer 0.5 mm. Select the bottom line and the top line. Okay. So this is the crankshaft rod. Let assign this rod satin finish stainless steel. Now save as. Crankshaft rod. Let's move for the next part.